Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the trade channel and confirming your verification. This prevents automatic moderation blocks. Once done, read pinned rules and price lists so you avoid banned terms and mistaken offers. Now create a concise trade thread. State what you have, what you want, and your preferred exchange method. Use exact item names, quantities, and any dollar or percentage adjustments. Keep language direct so moderators and traders immediately understand your position. You move into negotiation by stating firm or open to offer status. That sets expectation and speeds replies. Provide screenshots or inventory proof to build trust and make sure to blur any personal info. Once a match appears, agree a meeting method, direct message, voice channel, or in-game trade window and set a specific ITA. During exchange, confirm item names and quantities allowed. If you use middlemen, follow server rules for verification and fees. You finish by double-checking items in the trade window and confirming rarity and quantities allowed. Never accept before verification. Once satisfied, finalize the trade and take screenshots with timestamps for your records. If something goes wrong, missing items, fraud, or a disputed middleman, immediately stop, document everything, and file a mod report in the designated channel. Include screenshots, user ID, message links, and the trade time so moderators can act quickly and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.